Welcome my dear student in digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in data handling and we are dealing with the pie charts. So today I am going to tell you one more category that is related to pie chart when central angle is given to you and you need to find out the data. Earlier we have studied when data is given to you, how to convert that into pie chart. Now it is opposite case. When pie chart is given to us in the form of a central angle. So how we can find out in that case total data. So let's start. This is your exercise 5.2 and question number 4. Adjoining pie chart give tally mark score in an examination by the students in Hindi, English, mathematics, science, social science and science. If the total marks obtained by the student were 540. So total marks is very important thing here. So you need to underline, this is very important information, 540. So we need to answer some questions from here. So before answering a question, we need to find out how much marks is scored in mathematics, how many we can say here in social science, science, Hindi and English. So how to find out? So let's start first. You need to write this table. Subject, central angle and marks obtained. Central angle means whatever the angle is given in the pie chart. For mathematics it is 90, social science is 65, science is 80, Hindi 70, English 35. So let's see what is the answer in this case. First, mathematics. Central angle is 90 degree. So I need to calculate what is the score in mathematics. For that you need to write 90 degree. Whatever the central angle is given to you for particular subject. In numerator and denominator you need to write total central angle. Circle is 360. So divide by 360 degree. Next thing, that is very important. Then multiply this thing with the total number of marks obtained by the student. That is 540. Our next task to cancel out. If anything you can cancel, so you can cancel. Here you can see you can cancel 0 with 0 as well as 36 and 54. These two numbers both are in the table of a, we can see in which table they are both. We can cancel them with the help of table of 6. 6 6 ja 36, 6 9 ja 54. Now once again this is 2. 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Last step left now. This 2 we can cancel here with the 1. 2 1 ja 2, 14, 5. 2 ja 90. So you will get only 45 multiplied by 3. Rest everything is cancelled out. So this is very important to understand how to do cancellation here. After that you need to multiply. 5 3 ja 15. Then carry 1, 3 4 ja 12 and 1 13. That means 135 marks scored in the subject of mathematics. So similarly, let's take the calculation for next subject. Next subject we have social science and central angle we have 65 degree. 65 degree. So once again that means I need to write 65 up. In denominator I need to write total angle, that is 360 degree, and we need to multiply this with the total number of marks. Total number of marks is 540. So now once again our task is to cancel out. So how to cancel out? 0 you can cancel with 0. And how to cancel this? So with the table of 6 you can cancel out 6 6 ja 9 ja, or with the table of 9 you can cancel out. This is 9 6 ja 54 and 9 4 ja 36. Once again you can cancel out this one. Overall if you are going to cancel it become 2 2 ja 4 and 3 2 ja 6. 2 will left here. Then last you can cancel out upside it. 65 we can cancel with 2. or even you can cancel this, so it become 1.5. So I need to multiply 65 into 1.5. How I did? You can cancel 2 with 3, it become 1.5. So now multiply 65 into 1.5. It become 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 5 6 is 30, and carry 2, 32. Cross 65 as such, 5, so it becomes 7, 97.5. 97.5. In this way, we need to calculate all subject. Now I am moving towards science. Science is 80. So 80 upon 360 into 540. So it is very clear to us that whatever we are cancelling here, this 360 and 540. So answer is 1.5. So directly you can multiply now. 80 into 1.5. What you would get? That you need to write. 8 5 is 40, carry 4. 8 1 is 8 and 4, 12. So answer is 120.0. So 0.0 no need to write, it become 120. Next we have Hindi. Hindi is the next. So Hindi angle is 70 degree, central angle. That is very important to write central angle. Now once again 70 upon 360 into 540. Simply calculate it, it become 1.5 as I did above. So my next task, 70 into 1.5 is, so 15 into 7, 5 7 is 35, and 7 1 is 7, carry 3, 7 and 3 10. So answer is 105. Next part we have here, that is related to English, and for English angle is 35 degree. Similarly 35 upon 360 into 540. So now if once again you are calculating this, you can cancel directly 1.5. So your task is to multiply 35 into 15. What you will get? 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 5 3 is 15 into 17, 35 as such, 5, 12, 5. So you will get 35 into 1.5, that is 52.5. So this is overall result for the marks. Now we come to know what are the marks scored by the student in different subjects. So let me take your questions now. So question number 1 you have here, that is, in which subject students did get score 105 marks? So in which subject score is 105? First question answer is this one. You can see it is Hindi. So you can write in Hindi score is, in Hindi score is 105. Next question you have, question number 2. How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than Hindi? So question is, what is the difference between? So we can write 135 in mathematics, 105 in Hindi. So difference is of 20 marks. So you can write 20 marks more than Hindi. Next question you have, question number 3. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained by social science and mathematics. Third is addition of SSC and math. SSC plus math. So SSC marks you need to write first. SSC marks is 97.5 and in mathematics it is 135. It is asked to you more than science and Hindi. So here is the science plus Hindi. Science marks is your 120 and Hindi marks is 105. So if you are adding, it will become 225. and if you are adding upper one, so 0.5 as such, 7 and 5 12, 9 3 12 and 13, and 232, here 225. So you can see here math and science marks is, social science and maths marks is more than science and Hindi marks. These are the question asked to you. I hope it is clear to you how to solve this question. First you need to write this chart, then after write central angle and calculate from here the total number of marks. For that you need to write angle for particular subject up, and denominator you need to write 360. Why? Because central angle is 360 and multiply by the total marks, that is 540. In this way you can calculate for all and find the answer. Thank you so much.